Wanna know how to unlock a rare heroes without spending gems in Game of Thrones KingsRoad? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to know that getting rare heroes without spending gems is totally possible in KingsRoad Mobile. So you need to simply focus on completing story missions, not side missions, but the main story missions, which gives you achievements and events that reward heroes easily. Participate in special hero banners and events to maximize pulls. You need to know that special events and limited time events are the most advantageous ones, so make sure you participate in those. So make sure you also prioritize upgrading heroes that will actively contribute to your team. With patience and smart choices, your free-to-play players can build a stronger roster as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.